Today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Although the Mate 10 Pro is not a new handset, it was revealed for the US market recently and is now available for purchase. We'll be doing a fresh unboxing of the Mate 10 Pro today so you can get an idea of what comes in the box and see if it's something that might be worth your time. As you can see front and center, the handset is present when you remove the top lid, and removing the cardboard that holds the phone and revealing the accessories underneath, you can see the charging brick, the USB Type-C cable. There's also headphones and a 3.5mm to USB Type-C adapter, and it also comes with a Tpu case as well as the SIM removal tool. Here we can just take a closer look at all the accessories. Again, this is the Huawei Supercharge AC adapter that has a USB Type-A, and inside the box you will get a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable, which you can see is packaged right here. Cable feels firm. It is a rubberized texture on the outside, so it should prevent it from slipping off tables. There is the earphones that are inside. They look pretty familiar with something else that you might have seen on the market. It does have a USB Type-C connection on the end. And then just in case you want to use your own headphones, there are a USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter. And then lastly, a SIM removal tool just in case you do not have another one. Here we can take a closer look at the included TPU case. As you can see, it is a little bit cloudy in the areas, so it isn't a clear plastic like what we saw on the previous Mate 9. It does have a cutout for the dual camera sensor and the fingerprint reader. Should be something that will provide minimal protection, but will also protect the exterior from scratches. Here we get a close look at the front. And then on the rear, we do see the glossy finish, along with the previously mentioned dual camera sensor. As for color, this is the gray model, and you can see how shiny it is. It is fairly reflective and does look a little bit different depending on the angle, but overall it's a very nice look. A pleasant surprise, the Mate 10 Pro is running Android 8 Oreo out of the box. It does have a skin, the EMUI skin, which is part of Huawei and Honor's own branding or interpretation of Android. Spare you the boring part of the setup and jump straight into the home screen. As you can see, it looks fairly normal. It does have a couple apps preloaded like Facebook, Instagram, also Booking.com, but the display looks incredibly nice compared to the previous Mate 9. It is an AMOLED panel, so it is vibrant. Take another look there, you can see everything looks crisp and sharp despite being a 1080p display, but it is worlds ahead of the Mate 9. Here we can see the left side of the device with the SIM card slot. On the top portion we do have a mic and an IR blaster, which isn't too common nowadays, so it's a nice touch to have that included. And then on the right hand side we do have the volume rocker along with the power button. These are in the same spot as what you would find on the Mate 9, so no changes there. And then on the rear we have our dual camera setup, fingerprint reader, and on the bottom we have the USB Type-C, single speaker, and also a mic. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.